Hey guys, this is Padlina, and she's my best friend in the whole wide world, and she came to visit, and she had splat on her head. So we went ahead with the Malibu C color disruptor and CPR, and this is what we got off her head. So she doesn't want to bleach her hair all over anymore, so I said, well, let's balayage it. It was raining for 2 days while she was here, so there was nothing else to do, and the mall was a mob store, so I was like, let's get the hell out of here and go to the salon and do your hair. So I am painting her with Sunlight's Balayage, and I'm low lighting her with Colora Gloss in a 6 because she is a level 6 naturally with a little bit of G and a little bit of R just to kind of blend some of that line away. And I am going to paint in the depth and the lightness. So once this is all done processing for 45 minutes, we'll stop oxidation with Malibu CD. Now you're going to see how splat lifts here in a minute. It lifted the same colors or ends because that stuff is the devil sauce, guys, the devil sauce. And so I am just going to work Magic's 10 Ruby Red through the ends, a little bit deeper color at the base into a brighter color on the ends, utilizing what she has. I did not bring that bleach through her ends. We used Olaplex the whole way. I only lifted her roots. And isn't my best friend one of the most beautiful people you have ever seen in your entire life? She is absolutely the most stunning girl in the whole wide world. Guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.